At Aigro we are developing a fully electric autonomous tool carrier. Our tool carrier can perform different tasks such as mowing, harrowing and spraying, weeding, whatever you want. It's fully electric like I mentioned, and we drive on replaceable batteries, and with those batteries we have 8 up to 10 hours of working time. We can drive autonomously by the use of 2 GPS antennas and an additional camera on the front. Our main motivation to develop agricultural robots is to help to make the agricultural sector more sustainable and to contribute to the problem that we have in the Netherlands and I guess also a lot of other countries in the European Union, and that is a big labor shortage in the agricultural sector. We try to contribute to that with the Aigro Up, which is a very lightweight and fully electric tool carrier. We try to keep it as light and nimble as possible, also to reduce the soil compaction.